Boom, boom. Byron Rodgers, Tactical Protection Review. Learn protection strategies from a protection professional. What do we see here? I know it happens quickly. Let's watch it again. This whole clip is 8 seconds. Do you want to lose your kneecap? Boom, boom, knocks him out. So what can we learn from the situation, man? I love how quick it is. I love how fast it is, but actually a lot happens in this few seconds if you know where to look and what to look for, man. The first thing that stands out to this video, in this video that catches my attention is this right here. This guy's controlling Mr. Gray Hoodie's forward arm. That's not something you want to allow someone to do. By doing that, Gray Hoodie dude is open to get struck in the face. This is an arm to defend this whole entire side of his face and his head and all these important things. By keeping that hand up right there, he is essentially basically letting the dude in the gray know, I want to keep you more defenseless. Okay, in my opinion, this is where behavior, reading people's behavior and understanding people's behavior really comes into play. So my man sitting here, he's holding his hand. My man in the gray hoodie raises his hand up, but what do you see here if you have enough time to slow this down and really look into it? Check it out, pop, 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 pop. What is this? What is that? To me, it almost looks like an actual asp or something along those lines. This guy's got something in his hand. So I think that with the truth being that this guy in the gray has something in his hand and he's raising his arm up and it looks like he's getting ready to use it. My man in the green shirt here, who looks like he's just a Marine who's not at work right now, green shirt dude, has already decided he is going to knock this dude out. That's what I think is going on here. This is why he turns around and he looks behind him. He takes a step back so he can get on his good foot. He loads up his foot. You see his body weight shift. And then, boom, there's a step forward. And he loads up and boom, boom, lets him have it. Okay, I think this right here is a classic example of an intimidator versus an actual combatant. If you turn up the volume on this thing, you'll hear Mr. Gray Shirt here. He's got the weapon. He's got all the different tools. He's ready to go, but he's actually trying to use the tool of intimidation.
Do you want to lose your fucking kneecap?
Do you want to lose your kneecap? Two different types of people, the Cobra and the Pit Bull. Pit Bull's always barking, making a lot of noise. And when he bites, it can suck, but the Cobra makes no noise, and when he strikes, by the time you realize it, it's already too late. These are the guys you've got to watch out for. Don't pull an asp on the wrong dude. Another huge takeaway is, where's this stuff happening? Transitional spaces around vehicles. Do not, when you're in transitional spaces, when we talk about the ABCs of personal protection, right? Context. If you're in a transitional space going from one safe place to the next, keep going. Don't stop your car, don't get out of your car to talk. They're in a transitional space right now, which is where you'll see 90% of these videos, because this is where things go wrong for people. Transitional spaces, boom, boom. We're gonna be learning how to fight inside of and around vehicles at this upcoming Protector Symposium, so don't miss out. Come train with us and get better with us. You can tell this guy in the green shirt is not afraid because he turns around, he completely exposes himself and gets ready to hit this dude. He has zero fear of this guy at all, and he knows how to box. So you gotta ask yourself, who do you wanna be? Do you wanna be the trained combatant, or do you wanna be the person using intimidation when you find yourself in an altercation like this? The other side of that too is, we know intimidation is a great tool to keep yourself out of trouble, but when trouble finds you, intimidation is the last thing you want to use. Weapons are made to be felt, not seen. Don't start flashing your asp around like you're going to do something. Either do something or leave. If you found some value in this video, share it, hit the bell on your screen, subscribe so you don't miss a single video, and let's make this world a safer place. Oh, lastly, go download our free training guide at GoProtectorNation.com. All right, lastly, let's make this world a safer place by helping good people become more dangerous. Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade, out. Boom!